In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube banner in Canva. We'll move from a blank browser tab to a polished channel header that looks great on every device and clearly communicates your brand. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. Click the official result so you land on Canva's homepage. Double-check the URL to make sure you're in the right place. Then log into your account so you can save and export your work. A free account is perfectly fine for this project. Once you're in, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type YouTube Banner and select the preset. This opens a correctly sized workspace tailored to YouTube's header dimensions. Using the preset saves time and helps avoid awkward cropping across phones, tablets, desktops, and TVs. Now focus on the safe area, the central stretch where content stays visible on all devices. Keep your essentials strictly within that zone. Place your channel name prominently, add a short, memorable tagline, and include a concise power statement that tells viewers exactly what your channel delivers. Use high contrast between text and background, limit yourself to one or two clean, readable fonts, and establish a clear hierarchy so your name leads and supporting text follows. Keep copy brief. If you can read it easily when zoomed out, your audience can too. Next, enhance your design with visuals. Open the Elements tab to add high-quality graphics, shapes, or subtle patterns that frame your message without overwhelming it. If you have a professional headshot or brand imagery, head to the Uploads tab and bring it in. Position photos toward the sides and keep key text in the center. Use Canva's alignment guides to nudge elements into place, maintain generous spacing, and adjust transparency or shadows sparingly for depth. Aim for balance and consistency with your brand colors. Be mindful of the lower right portion of the safe area. On desktop, YouTube often overlays social links there, so leave some breathing room. This prevents buttons, logos, or fine text from being covered or competing for attention. When everything looks crisp and organized, it's time to export. Download as a PNG if your design relies on sharp text and graphic elements. PNG preserves edge clarity beautifully. Choose JPG if you're using a complex photo background and prefer a smaller file size. Give the file a clear name so you can locate it quickly when you upload it to your channel. And that's it. You've created a clean, on-brand YouTube banner in Canva that's ready to represent your channel with confidence.